Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for this slide, we will presenting about the leadership and teamwork by Muhammad Arif Najwan and Yan Wen Gipit. So for the leadership is well known about the training, discipline, experience and transparency, which is by integrating training, discipline, transparency, experience and good faith into your leadership approach. You will create a foundation for long-term success and will inspire those around you to achieve the best for the leadership. And so this is for the management. Management is have three type, which is the first one is autocratic, second one is the democratic, and the third one is laissez-faire. For the autocratic, for the explanation is autocracy is a leadership style where the leader has complete control over decision making and expect strict compliance from the subordinates. And for the democratic, which is a collaborative style where the leader involve the team in the decision making and values their input. For the last one, which is the laissez-faire, in this style, the leader provides a minimal supervision and allows the team to make most decisions independently. So now we have a teamwork important. So teamwork important have six divided, which is the first one is the work can be done by effectively, and the second one is the create a solid work relationship, and third one is constructive competition via collaboration, and the fourth one is create mutual relationship among the team members. In the fifth one, team will quickly invent new things. For the last one, for the teamwork importance, they will create a team self report. So I will pass the presentation to my friend Yan Wing Gipit.
Thank you to Hanif Najwan. My name is Ian Wen, and I will present about how we can make a positive team building. So, there are two important tips that we need to remember on how we can make a positive team. The first is how we can solve a conflict within our team, and also we need to set our strategies within our teamwork. So, in order for us to solve the conflict, we need to identify the source first. So, we need to encourage open communication to understand the root cause and also allow all parties to share their perspective without interruption. This should allow parties and team members should discuss each other on how they are going to solve the problem that they are facing. The strategies are a lot, but I will only give three. The first strategy is maintain a positive environment. This should foster mutual respect among the team members, and by positive environment, the team also could focus on solutions and not personal attacks within them. And then the second one, the team also should use active listening techniques. The team members should listen attentively to each side's concern during a discussion or during a meeting. The second one is during they are presenting or they are discussing with each other, they should use paraphrase and repeat key points to ensure understanding. The and the leader inside the team also should establish a ground rules. Uh, by setting these ground rules, the team could set an expectation for respectful communication. This will also outline the acceptable behavior during conflict discussions. In order for us to build our leadership, first we need to hone our critical thinking skills. There are three important and simple steps that we could remember. The first important step is to observe. Pay close attention to details and recognize patterns. By this, we could gather information from various sources. After we done our observation, we could do our analyze. By analyzing the problem, we can break down complex information into smaller parts. And then by this analyze, we could also evaluate data to identify the relationships and trends. After we done our analyze, the final step is to we make our decision. By doing the decision making, we need to weigh pros and cons to make informed decisions. But we also need to consider both short-term and long-term impacts. By following these three simple steps, we are already thinking like an engineer. So that's all from me. Thank you.